This is the Rice Robot Personal Rice Cooker, and today I'm using it to make a simple batch of white rice. One thing I like about this cooker is its compact 1-quart size, which is great for individual meals, small households, dorm rooms, or office kitchens. It doesn't take up much counter space and is easy to store when not in use. To make white rice, I simply measure the rice, rinse it, add the appropriate amount of water, and place everything into the non-stick cooking pot. Then I close the lid and start the cooking cycle. The process is straightforward and requires very little hands-on attention. The Rice Robot features a PFAS-free non-stick interior, which helps make cleanup quick and easy after cooking. It also comes with helpful accessories, including measuring cups, a serving spoon, and a recipe book with a variety of meal ideas. Another nice feature is the stainless steel steamer tray, which can be used to steam foods while cooking, adding extra versatility to this compact appliance. As you can see, the rice comes out fluffy and ready to serve. If you're looking for a compact rice cooker that makes preparing white rice simple and convenient, the Rice Robot Personal Rice Cooker is a practical addition to your kitchen.